Our mission at SeedProd is to make building WordPress sites easy, fast, and stress-free. We're back with another groundbreaking new feature released to revolutionize your workflow. SeedProd 6.11 will make creating new projects faster, help you get more from existing designs, ensure consistency, and improve website loading speeds. First, we're excited to announce that all users can now import and export SeedProd themes and landing pages with a few clicks. Even if your theme includes custom WooCommerce product pages, SeedProd will export the whole theme ready for you to import onto another WordPress website. This doesn't only work on new SeedProd sites either. You can import themes and landing pages into websites you already work with, allowing you to refresh a site design quickly. For example, if you build websites for clients, you probably notice that most websites in the specific industry share common elements and pages. You can export your base theme, and with this feature, you can import it into a new client website where you can adjust the content and design to create a brand new unique website, saving you a lot of time starting from scratch. The new import-export feature has many clever ways to help your work process. For digital marketers, we're using high-converting landing pages to designing WooCommerce website frameworks that you can use in every project. Next up are improvements to SeedProd's mobile and desktop visibility options. In the past, SeedProd's device visibility feature allowed you to show and hide specific content on mobile or desktop devices. While that's an excellent way to fine-tune your site design, we knew we could offer more flexibility. To help, we've extended the device visibility feature to sections, rows, and columns. Now you can click on any section, row, or column in the page builder and toggle an option to either show or hide it on your site's mobile or desktop version. Let's say you have a massive hero section on your home page. It'll likely take up loads of space on mobile screens, making it harder for users to find the right information. With section visibility settings, you can hide it on mobile with a single click. The section is grayed out in the mobile preview, indicating that it won't appear to mobile visitors, improving user experience instantly. You can even use this approach to create completely different layouts for mobile and desktop visitors. For instance, you can give desktop users the whole browsing experience and create a minimal, more streamlined design for mobile and vice versa. Please visit seedprod.com today or click the link in the description below. As always, thank you for helping us make SeedProd the best website builder for WordPress.